All right, so approximately 29 persons officially became Jamaican citizens in August, and former Indian national Sangeeta Sharma was one of them. She's in St. Anne, and she joins us now via Skype to share her story. Good morning, Sangeeta.
Good morning, guys.
Hi, how are you?
Not bad at all. How are you guys this morning?
Oh, we are very well.
Congratulations to you, new citizen of Jamaica.
Thank you so much.
Why did you want to do this? Well, tell me the story. When did you come to Jamaica, and why are you here and stuff? Tell me the story.
I have been here for 18 years, and this is home, and I don't think I'm going anywhere anytime soon, so I thought it's time to make it official.
How did you end up coming to Jamaica?
My husband, when he's been in Jamaica for over 25 years, so when we got married, I followed him over here.
Okay, you followed him here, and then you said you were struck by a number of things about Jamaica. What are some of those things that you fell in love with?
The people, first of all, it's the people. I feel that I've never met a set of people who are as warm, loving, helpful as the Jamaicans. I mean, and even with the daily struggles, they find something to be thankful for at all times. So I love the people of Jamaica and the beautiful island itself. I mean, we are blessed to be living in this paradise.
Yeah. A lot of folks don't have a foil, eh? They would not have had another experience with which to compare Jamaica. Can you tell us a little bit about India and what the differences or the similarities might have been?
Well, it was a culture shock to me when I came over here because I come from a metropolitan city, which is very hectic lifestyle. And when I came over here in early 2000s, the supermarkets used to close at 5 o'clock. And I was like, what if I run out of bread at 7:30? What must I do at that time? It took a while to adapt. But things are different now, and now as a person living on the island, I know I should be prepared that I don't run out of bread after 5 o'clock.
If that's the biggest problem, then you're doing all right.
Like I said, you take everything with a pinch of salt. There are problems in Jamaica, of course, be it the healthcare, be it facilities, but this is life, and I appreciate everything Jamaica has given to me.
What about the food, Sangeeta? Are there any similarities there?
Kind of, yes. I'm a vegetarian, so it becomes challenging at times. So I cook a lot, but I actually have adapted to Jamaican food, and I actually love it now.
What's the process to become a Jamaican citizen, and did you have to give up your Indian citizenship to do this? What's the process?
The process is actually pretty straightforward. All the requirements are listed on the PICA website. So before I went and I had all the paperwork ready with me. All I had to do is go submit it at the PICA office. And the process takes anywhere from 12 to 18 months. And it was actually right on time. I had the interview about 3 months after I submitted the papers, and 12 months after that, it was all finalized.
And the interview is what? What do they ask you? What do they need to know?
They actually come to do a checkup just to make sure that all the information that you've given is correct, that you're residing at the place that you said you are, you're working at the place that you said you are, just to make sure the information matches up what you've submitted.
I asked before if you had to give up your Indian citizenship.
I will have to. I haven't as yet, but I will have to.
You will have to?
Yes, I will have to.
And that comes from the Indian side or the Jamaican side?
Yes, the Indian side.
So you cannot have dual citizenship?
I cannot have dual citizenship.
With any country, or just because it's Jamaica?
No, with any country.
Wow.
So when you made it clear to friends and family, perhaps back home or wherever else, that you were going to actually do that, what was the reaction, Sangeeta?
Well, they were like, are you sure you want to do it? It's a permanent process, not something you can reverse easily. But like I said, I have chosen this to be my home. I am not going anywhere. And I think it's the right move on my part.
What is the impression that they have of Jamaica?
Oh, back home, the only question I get asked is it day or is it night over there? Because it's 8 hour difference between Jamaica. And my father is always worried. Do you get proper food? Is everything available? And I have to keep telling them, don't worry. It's not like how it used to be back in the day. Everything is available in Jamaica.
Yeah. Back to the process. Were you given a test? Did you have to know about Jamaica and how many parishes we have and stuff like that?
I am a self-appointed ambassador for Jamaica. I think the government should look into giving me a proper job. I think I know more about Jamaica than most Jamaicans.
Probably
but no,
right.
there was no test as such, and there was not a written process or anything like that. But I took it upon myself when I came over here to study and learn about the history and the culture as much as I could.
All right, so how many parishes we have?
14.
How many counties?
Or if you're talking about Middlesex and those three.
Neville is so wicked, putting you on the spot. You've also you've ingrained yourself in society as well, Sangeeta. You've taken it upon yourself to kind of give back to Jamaica. You're involved in a lot of charity work. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, I work for a company called Diamonds International, and we strongly believe in giving back to the community. We are based in the Falmouth Pier, and I really feel it is important to give back where you earn from. So in every single way that we can, me and my team, we go out, we try and help out, be at painting the Falmouth Hospital or cleaning up the basic school, or trying to help at the old age home. We try and give back as much as we can. In fact, on the 17th of October, we plan to have another event, which we want to raise money to put ceiling fans in the basic school in Falmouth.
Okay.
When you heard that you had to give up your Indian citizenship, did you think maybe I don't want to do this, or it was still
it's something I already knew. It's not that I found out later on in the process. I already knew about it.
Right. I'm sure you would have done your homework.
I did.
Yeah. So what's the experience like? I know you don't walk around saying Jamaica man or Irie, or how does it feel to be a
I don't try to speak Patwa. I don't try to do that.
But this happened in August. So what did it mean when you finally made that pledge? What do you say? What are the words that they have you say when you I think I was reading about it here, but it's pretty deep when you take it on. Today I am a proud Jamaican. On paper you say you became a citizen, but I have been one at heart.
I became a Jamaican on paper that day, but in heart I've always been one.
Yes. So there was a sense of, yes, this is the right thing to do. I'm happy to have done this.
Exactly. I think I made the right decision.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Sim asked the question and you answered the question, but if you had to give me just one single thing, what is what do you love most about Jamaica? One single thing.
Oh my God. Oh, that will be very difficult for me to point out one thing. I love every single thing, be it from the mountains to the beaches to the little small fishing village that you go explore. I love everything about Jamaica. Everything.
I have one question, Sangeeta.
Yeah.
If you never said that, by the way, I would have taken back the citizenship.
Who makes better curry?
Oh my God. Me. I do. I make better curry.
Jamaica or India?
Well, I make better curry, so you could take it anywhere, Indian or Jamaican. I make better curry.
Well, you're Jamaican now, so the answer would have to be Jamaica.
Exactly.
Okay.
So I make better curry.
I love that.
Fantastic to meet you. Congratulations.
Nice to meet you guys. Thank you so much.
It is obvious that you knew what you were doing, and it's obvious that you have done what you wanted to do. So good luck and God bless.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Sangeeta. Appreciate it.
Bye.
Naturalized Jamaican, Sangeeta Sharma.